In this tutorial, I'll guide you through using advanced features to manage transactions on the Song Nhi app. Let's jump right in. First, head to the History section. Here, you'll see your total expenses and income at a glance, and you can scroll down to view all of your transactions. To create a custom financial report, go to the top right corner and tap the Filter icon. I'll show you how I set up a report for my recent expenses. Tap Filter, select a date range. I'll choose the last 7 days, then choose an expense category like necessities. You can also expand the filter options to include specific tags for even more control. Once your filters are set, click Apply. Now, let's sort these results. Tap the Sort icon and I'll sort by amount from newest to oldest. Hit Apply and you'll see the transactions in the exact order you want. Need to find something fast? Use the search icon to type in keywords and quickly locate any transaction. To save your custom report, tap the pin icon. Set a name, choose a color, an icon for the pin, then click Save. Now, just tap Pins at the top to access your custom report anytime. And that's it. Using these advanced features, you can filter, sort, and save custom reports with ease. And thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, if you're looking for a smart way to manage your finances and escape the rat race, check out Song Nhi, the perfect finance app to help you achieve financial freedom. You can download it today and start your journey. Drop a comment below and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.